Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. Today, we're going to continue building our knowledge of Bluebeam Revu by uncovering the power behind the markups list. We'll look at ways we can sort, filter, hide, and import all this valuable data. Be ready to take notes. This will be another informative presentation. Another thing that we can do in our markups list here is at the top of each of these columns. So if I want these in a different order, I can just hold my left mouse button down and drag this, and you'll see that tiny little arrow. That's where it's going to place when I let go. So I can reorder these however I want. Put them back and forth, and so on. Again, that could have to do with what you're exporting to Excel. If you want these in a certain order, you can move these around to match that. The other thing that we can do is click on the top of the column, and that will sort the whole markups list by that column. So a lot like you would do in Excel, you can say sort everything by subject, and it's going to put all of the similar subjects together. So all our returns are together, all our bad circuits, and so on. If you click on the top of the spaces, it's going to categorize those, sort them by space, or by room in this case. Page label. If they're all on the same page or different pages, it's going to group those together. If it's a multi-page document and you go by page label, it will put all those by page. And then, of course, you can also sort them by status. So if you want to see everything that's marked complete or everything that's marked incomplete, things like that, you can sort that and then look through the markups that way, and so on. So you can just click on the top of any of these and it will sort the list by that column. Also, a lot of times when you're doing measurements and looking for quantities, you'll want to click on the subject, because then it'll group all of your quantities together, the things that are similar. So let me go to a different example here. I've got some concrete takeoffs here. And if I sort this one's sorted by subject. So it's putting all of my 18-inch piers together, all my 24-inch, and so on. All of my footings are grouped together. And when I do that, this one, for instance, pad footing, 20 inches deep, it's telling me there's 6 of them. It gives me the size of each one. So I've got my cubic yards of each one, and then a total cubic yards at the top. And that I'm getting that total because I'm sorting it and grouping together all these that are similar. So give me the quantity of concrete there. So that is how you can sort and reorder those columns. Thanks for joining us. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.